Go and look around. Can you hear the sound of hoping for something better? Look into the crowd, see their faces now, longing for something beautiful. Every heart deserves love. Every soul should have a fighting chance. Every cry should be heard. Every life deserves a helping hand. Enough of the pain, enough of the greed, enough of this heartbreak. 'Cause we have hands to reach out. We have hope to give.
Unang-una nakakatuwa kasi I get to celebrate it with these kids. Parang nagkaroon po ako ng bagong friends. Sa ganitong paraan, syempre, naging close ako sa kanila. And yung message talaga na gusto ko iparating is, I hope they see an ate in me.
We have joy to give out. We have dreams to fulfill. We have a light to shine out. Yes, we have enough. We have enough to turn this life around. Rise up. Rise up.
Dear Lord, thank you for the gift of Ate Belle. Thank you for the strength you've given her to shine in this world with humility and grace. As she enters a new chapter, I pray that you continue to guide her steps, protect her heart, and surround her with love, joy, and peace.
Time has come, justice and compassion. Every child provided for, fulfilled every need with action. Yes, they are worth fighting for. Itigil ang takot at gutom, buksan ang puso, tara na tumulong. Regalo sa bawat kabataan, ang kinabukasan ng bayan. We have hands to reach out, we have hope to give, we have love to live out. Yes, we have enough.
Pangarap ko para sa mga bata ay sana ma-achieve nila lahat ng dreams nila. Naniniwala po talaga ako na kabataan yung kinabukasan natin. There's always hope in these children. As long as we enlighten them with the good things, we enlighten them with what they need, we nurture them with love, care, and I believe that these children will go beyond what they're capable of.
To turn this life around. Now is the time of your
Shout out po sa Team Bell and to the fans. Maraming salamat po. Salamat din po sa ating mga pakipalakpakan naman po yung aming World Vision team. Salamat din po sa ating mga volunteers. Linggo po ngayon, pero andito po sila para sa kapakanan ng mga bata. Maraming thank you sa mga pinaka-importanteng bisita natin today. Kayo pong mga bata. Palakpakan po natin yung mga batang nandito ngayon. Sa inyo pong mga ngiti, sapat na po para sa lahat sa amin, para ipagpatuloy ang misyon na ibinigay po sa atin ng ating Panginoon.
give out. We have dreams to fulfill. We have a light to shine out. Yes, we have enough.
May regalo si Ate Belle and Duncan sa inyo! Yay! Wow! Here! Huwag ka na shy. Share kayo, ha? Share with everyone! Yay!